Hold on to your hats. Today's trending news is spicy and heartwarming. Singapore's envoy to India just cooked biryani for the first time and asked the million-dollar question, which state has the best biryani? It's a culinary diplomacy showdown. But that's not all. Meet the curious dog who almost burnt the house down by turning on the oven. Luckily, Apple HomePod was a real hero, alerting the family just in time. And in Mumbai, the police turned into real-life heroes, saving an unconscious woman during a victory parade. Mumbai's finest showed us what true bravery looks like. So which story made your day? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending tales.